What's up, YouTubers? We got the AeroScout, and it's got on there, I believe it is a 50 millimeter? 64 millimeter EDF on an AeroScout trainer. And we're running on a 3200, 3400? 3300 4S? 4S. Now, mind you, this is the AeroScout that usually has the propeller on the back. All right, this is the conversion kit from KIN.
Yeah, Kin Additive.
Kin Additive. Now, you can pick one of these up. I'll try to get a link for it later on and put it up in the description for you guys. But probably it's going to be Doug today, and he's going to turn and burn for us and see what this can do. Mind you, this was just a trainer AeroScout. Now a 64 millimeter EDF. Kick tires like fires. Listen to this baby turn and burn. Look at that smooth lift off. Let's get zoomed in on her. And she cruises. Woo! Look at that. Turning and burning, baby. Now, I do believe he is getting over 5 minutes of flight time on this. Is that correct, Doug?
Flight timer set at 3:30, and I'm getting pretty close to that. It's cold today, though.
It is cold, 20-something, 30 degrees out or so. His first flight, he did the 3.5, brought it down, and still had 40% on it.
Do a dead stick pass.
Look at that. Look how floaty. No power, no power, no power. Just floating. Float, float, float. Not too many EDFs you can just float around like that. I think it's got some kick to it. Once again, 64 millimeter EDF jet on that.
Dead stick.
He's just floating at dead stick now. Float, 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 float. Nice. Just floating. It definitely cruises. And it sounds darn good too. No cheater holes required. Float her right in, float her right in. There you have it, folks. The AeroScout on a 64 millimeter EDF. Absolutely insane. And so freaking awesome. Well, if you was ever wondering, that it is. And you can get yourself the KIN kit for it. Like I said, I'll try to get a link for you guys. Thanks for watching. See you on the next one.